This video explains how to use an infrared positioning system. First, find the switch of the infrared positioning system. Connect it to the socket. Turn it on. Infrared positioning system starts to work. Infrared positioning system through magnetic attraction. Connected directly to the base. Its joints can move. Adjusting the angle of the infrared by adjusting the joints. DTF material can be placed first. After confirming its location, like this. Its head can be rotated. By rotating the head. To adjust the angle of the infrared, this way, every time we put materials, it will precisely place the material in the designated position.